In a lease agreement, what does the term security deposit refer to? Initial payment to secure the lease. What is a contingency clause in a real estate contract? A clause that allows the buyer to cancel the contract under certain conditions. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a condominium? Single-family dwelling. What does the term escrow refer to in real estate transactions? A legal process where a neutral third party holds funds and documents until certain conditions are met. What is an amortization schedule? A repayment schedule showing the breakdown of each mortgage payment. What does the term lien refer to in real estate? A legal claim against a property as security for a debt.